This video aims to showcase the switch value example. The value displayed on the screen will decrease when the down arrow button is pressed and increase when the up arrow button is pressed. The text displayed will correspond to the number input in the spin box. To create a working switch value project, first, under First Page, click on ESD and change the text under the Properties menu to Switch Value. Next, click on the ESD Widgets drop-down list under Library. Drag and drop ESD Spinbox into First Page. After that, drag and drop ESD Label into First Page as well. You can change certain properties, such as font size, under the Properties menu to make the text clearer and more visible. Once you are done, click on Logic Flow under Library to open a drop-down menu. After that, drag and drop switch value into the Logic Node Editor. Rearrange the individual nodes in the Logic Node Editor to make it easier to edit and form connections between nodes. Place the switch value node at the center, followed by the ESD spin box on the left side and the ESD label 2 on the right side of the switch value node. This is to make it easier for you to make connections from the output to the input, vice versa. After rearranging, click on the switch value node. Under Properties, key in the number of cases. After that is done, change the output type to const char asterisk. Next, set case 0 to have an input of 0 and an output of value 0 in characters. Likewise, set the input values and the output characters for the remaining 3 cases. Set the default output to unassigned so that the rest of the input integer values will display unassigned. Next, connect the output value of ESD Spinbox to the input value of the switch value node. Then, connect the output result of the switch value node to the input text of ESD label 2. You have now completed the switch value project. To test if it is working, first, click on the Save All icon. Next, click on App Main and click on the Recompile icon. After compilation is complete, ensure that App Main is running. As you can see, the switch value project is now complete and working. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.